In today's video, we will be making the maple sugar. It is actually pretty easy. We started off with a 1 liter bottle of maple syrup, but if you have less, that's okay. Go ahead and open that bottle and pour it into a pot. Make sure to get the last drips. Now turn your stove on to medium heat. After a few minutes, it will start to boil. And as you can see, we did transfer it to a bigger pot because ours almost fell over, and I will recommend to use the biggest pot you have. Keep checking the temperature until it reaches 255 to 265 degrees Fahrenheit. Now get out your KitchenAid, and this is the paddle we used. Pour your hot maple syrup into the mixing bowl. Now slowly turn on your mixer to number 6. Within seconds, you will see the texture start to change. It starts looking like caramel and gets thicker and thicker until it turns into powder form. This is how you want it to look, but we ended up continuing to mix it until it looked like this. As you can see, because it's really fine, it started to stick to the side of the bowl, but we did learn from our mistake. This is how it looked at the end for us. Now go ahead and put it through a strainer. The rest that was in the strainer and the one stuck to the bowl that we eventually was able to take out, we put into a blender. For the rest, we took some water and poured it into the bowl to get any of the excess, then we poured it into the pot that we used to boil the maple syrup. Use that for extra sweetener. Now we got some mason jars, which is what we are going to put the sugar in. Now we're done, and this is how much sugar we ended up with. We started off with 1 liter of maple syrup and ended up with a little over a liter of maple sugar, including a little bit of excess syrup that we can use to sweeten anything we want. We decided to put this video out there because we wanted people to use healthier sugars instead of using the very processed and refined sugars that are used in this world today. Thanks for watching!